Hello guys, welcome to week 3. So in algebra this week what we're going to do is we're going to finish off polynomials. I'm going to have a quiz also. So what I'll do in the beginning of the week is I'll have a review. Then after the review I'm going to have a quiz. It's going to be on adding, subtracting polynomials and the power rules. And then after the quiz, we're going to go over multiplying polynomials and dividing polynomials. So I will have the work. I'm going to try to get it up by Sunday night. So it'll be ready for you on Monday, and it will be due on Friday. I'd like you to do one thing. When you message me, I want you to tell me, besides your name, what class you're in. So you guys are in the algebra class. So when you put a message to me, just so I know what class, because I teach algebra and then I teach accelerated. So I'm going to have to know what class you're in. Okay? So when you message me, just say, this is Jim in algebra. Okay? And I will be having a help session. I will post the hours. It's probably going to be Tuesday or Wednesday. And what we'll do is we'll go over the quiz. So if you don't want to take the quiz yet and you want to still have some questions, so I'm going to give you the review sheet first. I'll have the answer sheet. Any questions, I wouldn't do the quiz first until we have our help session. Okay? Have a good weekend, and I will talk to you next week. Thank you.